Hello and welcome dear student once again in my YouTube channel. This is your computer teacher Priyanka Rai. Hope you all are doing great. Before I start the video, you all have to like the video. You can share the video also with your friends. Make sure that you all are the subscriber of my channel to get the notification about new videos. Let's start today's video. Yes, student. So in today's tutorial, I am going to discuss with you sound and animation in PowerPoint chapter number 4 book exercise. But first of all, we will do recap also. Okay, so let's start. Student, animation is a set of special effects that can be applied to all the objects on the slide. It means whatever objects we are placing on the slide, all we can animate. Okay, with the animation option, and whatever after animating we can add the visual and sound effect also to our slide. Clear? Slide transition are the motion effects that occur when you move from one slide to next during a presentation. It means whenever you are giving a presentation and you want to move from one slide to another slide, whatever effects you apply on that slide is known as slide transition. I want to show you one thing. See, after this, wait, when we are moving from this slide to this, one effect you have seen. So this type of effect when we are moving from one slide to another slide is known as slide transition. Now a sound clip can be edited using option available under the playback tab. Okay, whatever sound related option you want to apply, that you can use under playback tab. There is a tab where insert file tabs are there. So in that only one playback tab is there. When you will click on, all the sound related options will appear. Now student, we will talk about action button. Action buttons are used to move to any slide or open any other program by creating hyperlink. It means if you want to move directly from slide number 1 to slide number 5, you can move by using the hyperlinks. Okay, and this is also known as action buttons. You can place that button and when you will click that particular slide, you can move. Steps I have already discussed with you. Okay, so you can follow these steps. Now we will talk about the another option which is known as embedding. This feature is very important. You know student, embedding means to insert a copy of the original document which can be edited, but the change will not there in the original source file. Like you want to add another file in the PowerPoint presentation from any other software. So you can add, but if you are bringing that file through embedding option, whatever changes you will apply in your PowerPoint slide, that will not occur in your original slide. Original file will be like this only. The changes will be occur only in the PowerPoint slide, not in the original one. Okay. Now we will discuss about linking. Linking is just opposite of embedding. Not we can't say opposite, but some features are there which are opposite of the embedding feature. Like linking means that when an object is linked, the information in the presentation will be updated if the source file is modified. Like you have link object or any file, but if you will make any change in the source file, so that same change will be occur in your presentation also. Where you have placed that file, there also that particular change will appear. So this is called linking. I hope you understand. So these are the recapitulation topics of chapter number 4. Now student, we are going to discuss the exercise. I will today discuss only the first question. Okay, take the correct option and okay. So the first one is dash is the effect that can be applied to an object on the slide. Which effect? Animation. Always remember, whenever we are talking about the object, then we will use animation, and when we will talk about the slide, then we will apply transition. Okay, so here the B option is correct. You can fill also there. Motion effect that occur when you move from one slide to another. Now in second question, what we have to find that when the motion effect occur from one slide to another. So whenever we move from one slide to another, we use transition. Okay. So the first A part is correct. Now third one. A dash of your photos is created in the form of a presentation. Photo album. Okay. We can create photo album. Okay, of our photos in the form of presentation. Now question number 4. To add animation to the object on the slide, click on the dash button in the advanced animation group. Which button? Add animation button. Okay beta. Whenever you will click on this, so you can add animation to the object on the slide. Now the fifth one. Special effect used to introduce slide in a presentation are known as transition. What we call it? Transition. When we apply any special effect to our presentation, okay, introduce slide, this is called transition. Now sixth one, animation pane appears on the dash side of the screen. Always it will appear on the right side of the screen. Okay. So A option is correct. Now the seventh part. You can add a video to a presentation from the dash group. Which group, student? Media group. Okay. Whenever you will click on the media group, you are able to add a video to the presentation. So I hope student these all questions you understand of the tick the correct option. Please refer to your book whenever you are watching this video. With me only you can complete in your book also. Okay, and revise it also. So student, we will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.